Stop following me all the time!
This was kind of embarrassing.
Job! A pause!
I'm Merrell-Burriss, and you're watching
Job Hoppers!
Ahoy! Today we are in Norwalk, Connecticut, where we will be meeting Jane. She is a senior associate for Client Solutions.
Jane! Hey! Was she supposed to do that? There's a dog in the front.
So this is Cardi.
Cardi, you're the reason I'm sitting in the back. So where are we going?
We are heading to my office, LogicSource. We're halfway there.
Halfway there. Okay,
Yeah.
40-minute commute. And you
Yeah.
do this every day?
Not always. I'll do kind of like a hybrid
Yeah.
kind of working style.
Do they always let you bring Cardi to work?
Yeah, so our office is a dog-friendly office.
Oh, is this it?
Yeah, we're here now.
Do you work here too, Cardi? Is this your job? Let's go to work. I like the industrial vibe. Oh, is this you?
Yeah.
You get your own, like, office?
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me, senior associate to Client Solutions. It sounds cool, but what does it mean?
Essentially, I am the bridge between LogicSource and the client.
Yeah.
So we learn more about their problems in procurement. If you need a definition for that, I'll give it to you.
Yes, please. Thank you. See, you can read me. It's good.
For instance, let's say the bags that you use when they're like, oh, do you want a bag for your purchase?
Yeah.
We'll see how much you're spending per bag. And then we'll come in and we'll say, hey, we can find it for X amount cheaper. We can drive those savings and create a new supplier for you to utilize moving forward.
Oh, so you're brought in to help make things more efficient.
Correct.
I need one of you in my life. So, like, what kind of projects do you work on most of the time?
We have something called mutual value assessment.
Okay.
We learn more about their company and what they do. And at the end of the 4 to 5 week project, we'll have a solution readout where we kind of identify all the problems or recommendations.
So even after the 4 to 5 weeks, you guys still stay around to help?
Yeah, of course.
I like that a lot. Can you do that again for camera? Ooh. How is it giving advice to people? Like, I try to give advice, but it never goes well.
The Center of Excellence is our subject matter experts in our business. So they are knowledgeable in sourcing procurement, anything across categories, including corporate services, marketing, facilities, IT.
Dogs?
Yeah, dogs too, of course.
Job Hoppers!
Okay, so I get that you have so many projects, but how do you manage those projects?
Essentially, we do more of a waterfall approach. So waterfall is more set, defined milestones that we have to do in order. But sometimes it's a little more agile, right? And so that's more flexible, more iterative, where we can go back, we can change it.
In regards to timeline, when is lunch timeline?
We can go now if you like.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, Cardi, you lead the way too. When did you get the Google Career Certificate?
So I got it a few years back, and it took about 2 to 3 months to finish.
Wow, you did that fast.
I actually downloaded the mobile app on my phone, and I would watch it on my way to and from the city when I was working at my previous job. So that's why I really love the flexibility of it.
Cheers. How did it change your lifestyle?
It's definitely made me more confident, and definitely I'm way more passionate about the work that I do. Initially, when I graduated out of college, I was in accounting.
Yeah.
And I just couldn't see myself doing that long term.
If you could tell your former accounting self something, what would it be to help prepare yourself for where you are now?
Just take that leap of faith. I think initially, I was just too scared, like to try something new and not be good at it.
Where do you see yourself 5 years from now?
I want to, become a senior leader, being able to mentor other people, within the organization as well.
All right, what is next?
I actually do have a meeting now.
I can watch Cardi for you. Say bye, Mom.
Bye.
I know, Cardi. There's so many inefficiencies between the dogs and humans here. You don't have to worry about it. I know an expert.
Aaron! I came as fast as I could.
There's a lot of inefficiencies happening in this office between humans and dogs, and I think we can help.
You called the right person. Hi, Cardi.
see what I mean?
You're right. I've seen this before. In order to understand what a dog is feeling and thinking, you must become the dog. Stick to being a human. We got this.
Hello, everyone, and welcome. Dogs. We are here today to help you not only save money, but be more efficient. Joining me today is my wife, Veronica Merrell-Burriss, AKA Human to Dog Office Relation Center of Excellence.
Hello, thank you for joining us. We'd like to present to you DOGmatic Solutions for LogicSource, optimizing your canine experience.
What do dogs like?
More treats.
Treats. And how do they like them? Fast. How can we solve this issue?
Buying a small variety of treats in bulk. Bulk purchasing equals money saved.
You got their attention with that one. Treats? My fellow canines, I know you cannot differentiate between work time and playtime and sleep time, and it's not your fault.
Create a designated play area within the office. Play area equals no more surprise squeaking.
Employees like yourselves lose up to 15 minutes just by bending over and petting their dog. How can we solve this?
A dog-specific adjustable desk that brings the dogs up to your level. Adjustable bed desks equals time saved. Here is our prototype.
And here's the sad part. Some employees who don't have dogs want dogs, but they can't have them for whatever reason. So what do we do, Miss Veronica?
We suggest designing an office dog calendar program to book time with your dog of choice. Share a dog equals happiness increased. Thank you for your consideration.
Boy, can you shake? Oh, nice to meet you too.
Good job.
Yes.
You did it.
You're such a good dog expert. Thank you
you
guys
so
so much for joining
Thank you.
us.
Thanks for joining us.
Thank you, puppies.
Oh, their tails are wagging.
We nailed
Yes. Oh, hey.
I can see you learned a lot from me today.
Yes, I did.
We'll think about it and we'll get back to you.
Great. Thank you.
It wasn't a no. We're gonna save the money. We're gonna save the money.
What do we do with all the treats in there?
I'll eat them.
Jump, poppers!
Hello. This is for you.
Thank you.
Okay, before I go, what is one piece of advice you'd give someone who's interested in getting into the project management field?
I would definitely just say to go for it. Don't be scared to just try something new and get your feet wet. If I did it, I know that anyone else can.
All right, well, thank you so much. Ronnie, let's get to it and find our next job.
Actually, I'm going to stay here. LogicSource really needs my expertise.
Stay.
Yeah, I'm taking her advice and I'm going for it.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
So, I was thinking we could start early next week.
Yes, I would like that. Do I get to hang out with Cardi?
Yes.
Do you think you could be a project manager? Let me know in the comments. Also, if you already have your Google Career Certificate, let me know because I would love to hop to your job next.